Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Mundo's World, where we're going to be doing, guess what? Opening more boxes. That's right. Today, we're going to be opening Playoff, 2018 Playoff. Let me go ahead and read the back real quick what it says. So, first of all, it has 60 cards in the box. And it says unwrap the exclusive kickoff parallels. So cool. Rookie autographs delivers some of the hottest players to hit the NFL in 2018. Look out for the randomly inserted Contenders rookie autograph preview. So I don't know if that's for this or if it's for Panini Contenders. So I don't know if that's like they're promoting the Contenders product or because this is not Contenders. So that's weird. So let me read what it says here on the back. 2018 Playoff Football features a 300 card set including 200 base and 100 rookies. Also look for these randomly inserted cards: base kickoff, rookies autograph, hidden gems, playoff heroes, Thunder and Lightning, Air Command, Rookie Wave, Rookie Stallions Prime, Contenders Preview. And it says on average, non-base cards are included approximately 6 in every pack. So this time we're going to count. And I think the last one that I did that had that was the Absolute Football, I believe, did have 3 because it had the LaDainian Tomlinson. It had who else was it? Was it the the Ben Roethlisberger with Le'Veon Bell, and don't remember who the other one was, but I remember there being 3. So before we open this up, we're going to go ahead and get you your codes. So, we will be starting with the first code. And there it is, guys. There is your code. And we'll have 3 more for the remainder of this episode. All right, let's open this up. So in the comments below, if you have the chance, go ahead and let me know who your favorite football player is, if you have one. Getting ready to try to... Here we go. See, it's another one of these. And I don't like these. So I know that the next one's going to be like that as well. But, all right, I'm ready to start setting up some promotions to try to, get some things to you guys. Because it's not all about me. It's about you guys too. But, all right. So look at that. We got another Kid Reporter card. And we'll take a portion of this. And I think I'm just going to breeze through this, guys. I'm not going to show every single card. And I'll just read them off, what I got. And then I'll show any inserts or numbered parallels, whatever. So we got Torrey Smith, Malik Hooker, Carlos Hyde, Larry Fitzgerald, Emmanuel Sanders, Justin Tucker, Geno Atkins, Sammy Watkins, Case Keenum, Alex Collins, Patrick Mahomes, Allen Hurns, Deshaun Watson, Jordan Howard, Marquise Lee, David Njoku, Chandler Jones, LeGarrette Blount, Zay Jones, Will Fuller, Trey Burton, Zach Ertz, Kirk Cousins, Landon Collins. I'm just going to look at the back here and see if any of these are like numbered parallels that I just couldn't tell. And it's not looking like that's the case. Seems like they're very particular about where they put what cards. So these are all. And second code of the day. Right there. Take another chunk here. I don't know where they put the inserts, but we'll see. I think it'd be best if they were mixed in, you know. It's like randomly all over the place would be best. All right, so we got Josh Norman, Seth Roberts, Danny Amendola, Matt Breida, Chris Hogan, Cameron Brate, Janoris Jenkins, Cooper Kupp, Alshon Jeffrey, Mike Evans, Paul Perkins, Chris Thompson, Bruce Irvin, Kenyon Drake, Jimmy Garoppolo, Julian Edelman, Deshaun Jackson, Jonathan Stewart. And let me just take a quick look again, make sure, because it has happened to me where I've gotten numbered cards and I didn't know because I thought it looked exactly like the rest of the cards. But that's not the case here. And dun dun dun, we have our next number there, code. And we'll take the last little piece of the stack. And let's see here. All right. We have Kyle Lauletta, rookie. Braxton Berrios, rookie. Daron Payne, who was a rookie last year as well. Sam Darnold, rookie. That's actually a good rookie, probably one of the better ones of last year. Malik Jefferson, rookie. Christian Kirk, rookie. And it looks like we have, I don't know exactly what these are, but it looks like so these are like parallels because the color on, these are the kickoff. Okay. So Vic Beasley Jr. kickoff, and so you see it has that kickoff right there. So my inserts will be over here. I got an Aaron Rodgers kickoff. I have a Derrick Henry kickoff, possibly the best running back in the NFL. Terrell Pryor Sr. kickoff. And these are all like green colored, the lettering on the names. So I have a Michael Gallup kickoff rookie card. So I'm going to put that with the rookie pile. And a Ray McCloud rookie card kickoff as well. Okay. And then I have a Sony Michel from the Patriots rookie wave insert. That's a nice looking card. Still not serially numbered. That's okay. I got a Jimmy Garoppolo Air Command Also not numbered. Not a bad looking card though. Thunder and Lightning. Chris Hogan and Rob Gronkowski. The future Hall of Famer, Rob Gronkowski. And we have Darius Geis, another rookie wave, also not serially numbered. Cam Newton, Air Command, not numbered. And, it goes over there. And Thunder and Lightning, Devontae Freeman and Julio Jones, also not numbered. There it is. And that's all of them. Again, this one wasn't a horrible one, as I got, a couple good rookies. With the Sam Darnold, the Michael Gallup. I think Darius Geis has some promise as long as he can stay healthy. Sony Michel, Christian Kirk, Deron Payne, although he's a tackle, defensive tackle. So defensive linemen, I don't think their cards go up too much. But nonetheless, decent pulls. I'm not as upset as I was with the last box. But last code of the day, or of this video, there it is, guys. Enjoy, guys, and thank you again for watching. And we will see what Mundo is up to next. Have a good one, folks.